If you're someone who is like me and doesn't really like any kind of injectables or needles, I know Reflections has a lot of those options and they're available. It didn't work for me. It's not what I like. So, hi, I'm Lori. I'm a patient of Dr. Wicks Harris, and I came to Reflections to deal with some of the annoying fine lines that I have on my forehead and on my neck and right along my mouth. So I had Botox in the past, mostly around my lips and my 11, and I'm not a fan of needles. It just didn't work for me. I had a lot of anxiety over needles, so I decided I wanted to try something that didn't have that aspect to it. And I spoke to Dr. Wicks Harris, and she recommended Ultherapy. And I tried it in the past. I had it about a year ago. I love the results. They were very slow and gradual. And so I'm 14 months out. I decided to come back because this is what really worked for me. I definitely was nervous at first about the pain level. I wasn't sure if it was something that I would be able to tolerate, but I spoke to Dr. Wicks Harris, and I know it's something that she said she would walk me through and go through with every step of the way. And that's exactly what she did. You know, she told me what to expect. She used words that were very descriptive. You know, this might feel like this, which is something that I could relate to, something that we could all relate to. So even the way she described the pain was very relatable, something that we've all experienced somehow, somewhere. And so I felt very comfortable with her. And she, you know, kind of anticipated my needs. I think she read my body language perfectly, because she would, you know, comfort me and say, you know, we're almost there, we're at the end. So those kind of words really I find encouraging, and it was a great, relaxing kind of procedure. So if you're someone who is like me and doesn't really like any kind of injectables or needles, I know Reflections has a lot of those options and they're available. It didn't work for me. It's not what I like. So this is definitely my go-to place. This is my home from now on. This is where I'll come. I wouldn't give it a second thought if you were thinking about it. This is definitely a comfortable environment, comfortable staff, and all the doctors here know exactly what they're doing. So I definitely recommend Reflections.